Go. Second museum, which we started last year, and he's a living incarnation of his great uncle, who said to be first.
Maybe sometime you need to do some calculations and let you know.
Move forward, my brother, the first executive sent down to the Santi Throne, who had the idea of a space for development. To try to combine modernity with tradition. The current Vice Chancellor, or past Vice Chancellors. We tried to keep the documents because for a long time we were not keeping documentation of all these things. Let's go. Early staff.
Bayethe wena waphakathi libito lami nguSiphesihle Ziyanda wakamama ngisuka enkundleni yasesipiki engina
somkhulise eduze umbu besabe ngemoto lesinyathi ayethe ona phakathi
ngidlala i-KNUST ngenda umnyaka wami wesithathu ngidlala i-Food Science and Technology lo mnyaka
ngiphethe kahle sebabonile nanihlala nabo lakhaya
sithi yawo
Hey.